A man of many talents, introducing Gerolamo Cardano. Gerolamo Cardano, born in 1501, was a true Renaissance polymath. He excelled in a wide range of fields, leaving an indelible mark on mathematics, medicine, physics, philosophy, and more. His insatiable curiosity and relentless pursuit of knowledge led him to make groundbreaking discoveries and challenge conventional thinking. Cardano's life and work serve as a testament to the power of human intellect and the interconnectedness of different disciplines. Cardano's contributions to algebra are particularly noteworthy. He is credited with publishing the solutions to cubic and quartic equations, a feat that had eluded mathematicians for centuries. His book, Ars Magna, became a cornerstone of algebraic theory and paved the way for future advancements in the field. A tumultuous beginning, Cardano's early life and education. Cardano's life was marked by both triumphs and tribulations. Born illegitimate in Pavia, Italy, he faced societal prejudice from a young age. His childhood was marred by illness and the death of his mother. Despite these hardships, Cardano showed an early aptitude for learning. He pursued a formal education, studying mathematics, medicine, and astrology at the universities of Pavia and Padua. His path was not without obstacles. Cardano's outspoken nature and unconventional views often put him at odds with authority figures. Nevertheless, he persevered, earning a doctorate in medicine in 1526. Cardano's early career was a mix of successes and setbacks. He struggled to establish himself as a physician due to his illegitimate birth. He turned to gambling for a time, using his mathematical skills to gain an edge. This experience would later inspire his work in probability theory. Eventually, Cardano's talents were recognized. He gained a reputation as a skilled physician and mathematician. He secured a teaching position in mathematics in Milan, marking the beginning of his rise to intellectual prominence. Cardano's most enduring contribution to mathematics lies in his work on solving cubic and quartic equations. These equations, involving variables raised to the third and fourth powers, had puzzled mathematicians for centuries. Ancient Greek mathematicians had found geometric solutions for some special cases, but a general algebraic solution remained elusive. Cardano's breakthrough came when he learned of the work of other mathematicians, notably Scipione del Ferro and Niccolò Fontana Tartaglia. Del Ferro had discovered a method for solving a specific type of cubic equation, but he kept his solutions secret. Tartaglia later rediscovered the method, but was also reluctant to share it. After much persuasion, Tartaglia revealed his solution to Cardano under an oath of secrecy. Cardano, however, felt that the knowledge should be shared with the world. He published the solution along with his own extensions and improvements in his groundbreaking book Ars Magna, The Great Art, in 1545. Ars Magna was a landmark achievement in the history of algebra. It presented the first complete solutions to cubic and quartic equations, marking a significant leap forward in mathematical understanding. The book also introduced complex numbers as a tool for solving equations, a concept that would have profound implications for the future of mathematics. Section 4. The Gambler's Guide. Cardano and the Dawn of Probability Theory. Beyond his work in algebra, Cardano made pioneering contributions to the nascent field of probability theory. His interest in this area stemmed from his own experiences as a gambler. Cardano realized that chance and randomness played a significant role in games of chance, and he sought to develop a mathematical framework for understanding these phenomena. In his book, Liber de Ludo Allee, Book on Games of Chance, written around 1564 but not published until 1663, Cardano laid out the fundamental principles of probability. He introduced the concept of sample space, which refers to the set of all possible outcomes of an event. Cardano also explored the idea of equally likely outcomes, arguing that if all outcomes of an event are equally likely, then the probability of a particular outcome is simply the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. This insight formed the basis for the classical definition of probability. Cardano's Liber de Ludo Alei is considered one of the earliest works to approach probability from a mathematical perspective. His insights into chance and randomness laid the groundwork for the development of probability theory as a rigorous branch of mathematics, with far-reaching applications in fields such as statistics, finance, and physics. Section 5. Beyond equations, Cardano's mechanical inventions. Cardano's ingenuity was not limited to the realm of mathematics. He also possessed a keen interest in mechanics and engineering, leading to several notable inventions. One of his most enduring inventions is the Cardan suspension, a mechanism that allows an object to remain stable even when its support is tilted or rotated. The Cardan suspension consists of 3 concentric rings connected by pivots. The inner ring is free to rotate in any direction, while the outer 2 rings are fixed to a support structure. This arrangement ensures that the inner ring remains level regardless of the orientation of the support. Cardano's invention found practical application in various devices. It was used in gimbals to keep compasses and other navigational instruments level on ships at sea. The Cardan suspension also found its way into clocks, enabling them to function accurately even when subjected to motion. The Cardan suspension remains a vital component in modern engineering. It is used in gyroscopes, which are essential for navigation and stabilization in aircraft, spacecraft, and other vehicles. The mechanism is also employed in drive shafts, allowing power to be transmitted between components that are not perfectly aligned. Section 6. A controversial healer, Cardano's medical career. While Cardano is celebrated for his contributions to mathematics and other fields, he also had a successful, albeit controversial, career in medicine. After obtaining his doctorate in medicine, Cardano practiced as a physician, gaining a reputation for his skills in diagnosing and treating a wide range of ailments. Cardano's medical practices were often unorthodox and challenged the prevailing medical theories of his time. He rejected the humoral theory, which posited that illness was caused by an imbalance of bodily fluids, and instead emphasized the importance of observation and experience in medical practice. Cardano was known for his willingness to experiment with new treatments and medications. He advocated for the use of opium for pain relief and mercury for treating syphilis, both controversial practices at the time. Despite the controversies surrounding some of his methods, Cardano achieved remarkable success in treating his patients, including several high-profile individuals. Cardano's medical writings were equally influential. He published numerous books and treatises on various medical topics, including infectious diseases, cardiology, and pediatrics. His work helped to advance medical knowledge and challenge traditional medical dogma. Section 7. Wrestling with Fate, Cardano's personal tragedies and philosophical insights. Cardano's life, though marked by intellectual triumphs, was not without its share of personal tragedies. He faced numerous hardships, including the death of his wife, the imprisonment of his son, and accusations of heresy. These experiences deeply affected Cardano and shaped his philosophical outlook. Cardano's philosophical works, including De Consolatione, on consolation, and De Subtilitate Rerum, the subtlety of things, reflect his struggles with fate, free will, and the nature of happiness. In these works, Cardano grappled with the question of how to find meaning and purpose in a world often governed by chance and misfortune. Cardano's philosophy was deeply personal and idiosyncratic, drawing on his own experiences, his vast knowledge, and his belief in the interconnectedness of all things. He advocated for a life guided by reason and virtue, but he also recognized the importance of accepting the things we cannot control. Cardano's philosophical writings provide a glimpse into the mind of a brilliant and complex individual grappling with the challenges of existence. His works continue to resonate with readers today, offering insights into the human condition and the timeless search for meaning in a world often filled with uncertainty.